Hello everyone and welcome back. 2006, it's got the 6.0 Powerstroke in it. The truck has almost 300,000. At 151,000 I had the motor gone through, fully bulletproofed, deleted, everything. So new injectors, I had them go through the whole thing. So basically the motor has 150,000 miles on it roughly. And religiously had the oil changed every 3,000 miles for about the first 90,000 miles, and then I switched to every 5,000 miles because I switched the place that does the oil changes, and that's what they suggested. Anyway, today I was running fine, stopped at a campground to check out a campsite, and let it just idle, and she drove me around the campsite. I take off to do the final 2-hour drive up here, and this is what's happening. So then when I got back up here, parked it in the driveway, and you can see when I'm just sitting, it idles just fine. But then when I give it some fuel, this happens. I'll call the shop tomorrow to get it in. When I call them, I want an idea of what it could be. I don't know if it's dirty injector. This thing does have a, right down by the fuel filter that's on the actual frame of the truck. What did he call it? It's like a fuel, it's a lift pump or something for the fuel. Anyway, that has a leak. And the new pump is actually at the mechanics. I just had no time the last couple of weeks to bring it in. He said it's going to take about an hour to switch it out. It's going to cost me $700-800. But I don't think that would be it, because I would think if it's not getting enough fuel, it wouldn't be burning. You know, it's like it's not burning all the fuel. You guys saw the exhaust. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching. What's wrong with my truck? I'll see you guys on the next video. Keep having trouble with that truck. I'm gonna have to start driving my old truck all the time.